What is going on YouTube? We're out here enjoying a beautiful winter day, hanging out with Uncle Steve's Shake. And nope, we're not smoking anything today. We're gonna do some grilling. We're gonna make some patty melts. I just got in the thick meat. I've been waiting to try this. I've already sampled it on some stuff, but I hadn't done any cooking with it yet. As soon as I tasted it, I realized that's gonna be perfect for hamburgers, and I can't wait to put it on a brisket, see how that goes. So y'all come along, we'll do some patty melts on the old griddle, and I'll let y'all see what I got going on. All right, we're gonna plate up these patty melts here for you. We got both sides toasted because they're a little bit sloppy. I'm gonna put just a little bit of mayo on there. Alright, we got our Swiss cheese and American cheese and caramelized onions all looking pretty right there. Alright, here we have it. The Uncle Steve's thick meat spice patty melt. Let's give it a taste. Right there. Got your Swiss cheese, American, caramelized onions on top. A little bit of mayo on Texas toast. That's just what I expected. I think the Uncle Steve's thick meat's perfect for a hamburger. That'll be a new go-to burger. All right, I guess I'll sum up the old taste test with Uncle Steve's thick meat spice. Just tastes like a good old home-style hamburger. Real peppery, like my mama used to make it. None of the unnecessary Cajun flavoring or spicy mix into it. Just all around good flavoring. Excellent in burgers. I think that's my best. I've tried the other ones so far in burgers, and this one is the perfect flavor for a burger. Can't wait to try it on a brisket. That's gonna be next, so y'all stay tuned. All right, until next time, we'll see y'all down the road.